Good morning friends and welcome back to a new video. It is Monday today and I thought it would be fun to film another pack with me video. So yesterday was Sunday and I launched my summer collection on my website and I had a few sales, and so today I'm going to spend a little bit of time packing those online orders. So I thought it would be fun to film the progress and take you guys along with me. I did a similar video with my spring launch, so I thought it was only fitting to do one for my summer launch. Now, if I can be completely honest, my summer launch yesterday didn't really go as expected. I was hoping to get a certain amount of sales and I didn't reach that goal. So I was debating on whether or not I should film this video. But at the same time, I am so grateful to the people that did order. So I'm still going to make the video even though I don't really have that many orders to pack or that many products to pack. I still thought it would be fun to take you guys along for my small business journey. So yeah, this is a reminder that not everything always goes as planned. Sales really go like this, for me at least. So yeah, that is totally okay. I am again so grateful to the people that did order, so we are going to be packing some online orders today. First step is grabbing everything that we need and then we'll get to packing. I did a little promotion where you received a seashell keychain with every order on launch day, so of course I am adding one to each order. Alright, so this is my little packing station. So I have my shipping materials in here, tissue paper, stickers, honeycomb paper, thank you cards, care instruction cards. I have some summer stickers. I have my packing slips and shipping labels over here. And then over here I have the products that we are going to ship today. And then I have my samples. Okay, so we have 4 orders to pack in total, 2 of which are for shipping and then 2 are for pickup. Well, actually 1 is a pickup and then 1 of the orders is for a customer that is part of my monthly subscriber club. So I will add those into his monthly subscription box. If you didn't know, I have a monthly subscription and people who are subscribed don't pay any shipping on their monthly candle, and if they want to shop throughout the entire month they can do so, and they select pickup at checkout. That way they don't have to pay extra shipping and I just add it in their monthly box. So let's start off with the first order that is for shipping. This one is for a customer named Klaartje, and if I am not mistaken, this is actually her second order with me, so thank you so much for ordering, Klaartje. And Klaartje ordered 1 Cat Mom candle. I try to never use any plastic in my shipping material. I try to use everything that is like recyclable or biodegradable. For example, the packing peanuts are biodegradable. So yeah, that is something that is really important to me. But this is the Cat Mom candle that she ordered. This one is always very popular. And a small box will suffice for this order. And as always, I add a little bit of room spray in the boxes. Currently, I'm using my Ocean Breeze spray from the summer collection. First, making sure I have a small layer of packing peanuts, adding in her candle. And then I am going to add a sample. I'm going to give her a sweet watermelon tea light sample. Then adding a few more packing peanuts. We have her thank you card, a candle care instruction card. I'm going to add this little sticker. And then of course also her freebie keychain. Alright, that is Klaasje's order done. Now let's go ahead and close up the box. Of course, adding the shipping label. And I ran out of stamped boxes, so I'm just going to use my branded stickers on the box. Alright, and that is the first order done. Next order that is for shipping is going to Iana, and she ordered our Tropical Beach Tin Jar wax melts and the Beach Bum wax melter. I think this is her first time ordering with me, and usually I can see the conversion, and I think this one came from Instagram, so it is a really good channel to promote if you are a small business. But this is what the Tropical Beach Tin Jar looks like, and then let's see if I need to package up the wax melter. I'm just going to add a little bit of paper to make sure it doesn't get damaged. There we go. And for this order, I'm going to use these small boxes that are a little bit bigger than the one I used previously. As always, adding some room spray, a base of packing peanuts, she didn't order a candle but wax melts. I'm going to give her 2 wax melt samples. I have Island Resort and Salty Skin. Alright, so adding her thank you card, a wax melt care instruction, her packing slip, her 2 samples, and then of course her free keychain, and a little, let's do 2 stickers. Alright, that is everything for Iana's order. Let's go ahead and close up this box as well. And then adding the packing slip, and again a few stickers. And that is the second order done. Thank you so much, Iana, for ordering. The next order is going to Gaetan, and this is a repeat customer that chose pickup in stores. And he ordered the Sweet Watermelon Tin Jar wax melts, and then also the Ocean Breeze Tin Jar wax melts. This is what the Ocean Breeze one looks like. And then we have Sweet Watermelon. Since this doesn't have to be shipped, I'm just going to put it in one of our cotton bags. And then I'm going to grab one of my stamped little bags, like so. And a wax melt care card, a thank you card, the packing slip, of course, and then again a few wax melt samples. I have Salty Skin and Rose Quartz. thank you so much, Gaetan, for ordering again. And then we have one more order to fulfill, and this one is the one that I was talking about for my monthly subscriber. This customer is called Steven, and he has ordered, I think it's his wife that orders on his name, but they have ordered so many times already. I think he is my like top 3 customers, so I appreciate them so much. Thank you for supporting my small business. You have no idea what that means to me. But Steven ordered the beach bum wax melts, and then also the tropical beach wax melts, and then our ice cream cone wax melter. Now, oh, I just saw that I forgot to add the keychain in Gaetan's order, so let me do that really quickly. For this order, again, this is not going to be shipped out until the 25th. So for now, I'm just going to put it in a bag and put it to the side. And then once the monthly candles are done on the 25th, I will be adding these in as well. And of course, can't forget about the free keychain. So that is the last order done. All right, all 4 orders are packed and ready to go. Again, thank you so much to everyone that ordered or that has supported my small business in any way, shape, or form. Even just sharing something on social media or liking my posts or subscribing or liking my videos. It is all helping me so much. And I just wanted to say that I am so grateful for all of you guys. I will be heading to the post office first thing tomorrow morning. Maybe I will still get a sale today, who knows. I think this video might be a little bit short, but I do plan on filming another video this weekend. I have a market on Sunday, so I will be taking you guys along for that as well. But thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.